Okay, give me. Oh my god.
What the hell?
My phone is so trash. Does my freaking mic work? Does my freaking mic work? Oh my god. My
Yeah, I
mic
can hear you.
sucks. Okay.
Who are you?
Oh, hello. My mic sucks.
No, you're good.
Okay. I was gonna ask you if you had Discord.
Yes, I do actually.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 second because I'm also on my PS5.
Who the heck is this person? What's up?
Okay, I need to hide somewhere so people don't find me. Right here. My wolf.
What'd she love to know?
Right here.
We are talking about something very, very important.
Yes.
It's VIP. Doesn't include anyone with glasses, so.
Oh, that's arbitrarily discriminatory.
I have.
Shut up. Sorry, I was talking to my cousin.
Wait, I have glasses, bro.
Oh, sunglasses aside.
Well, now sunglasses are better than others.
Bro, he's my ex. He's my friend now. Like, the fuck?
Friend!
Hey, don't cuss again, otherwise.
Friend! From work! Sorry.
But we're out of blacks.
Oh, cool.
Anyway. You don't pay Roblox?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna be in my alt account.
I can't believe it. Your voice sounds deeper than mine. I always thought my voice was deeper. It's crazy.
Yeah, my voice is kind of deep.
I expected you to have a feminine sound, but hey, I'm not disappointed though.
I told you, I sound chill.
You sound what?
I told you, I sound chill.
Well, okay, if that's your definition of chill.
You wanna play Ecos Labrea?
Sure. Let's play Ecos Labrea.
Mark off. Why is it pink? Oh, there you go. I'm so tired.
Black? You're tired? Oh yeah, obviously. It's very early in the morning right now.
I mean,
Yep. All right. You are in your alternate account.
someone
Right.
attacking me?